How to use AssistiveTouch to install apps or confirm payments without double-click on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, you want to tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. At the top here, tap on AssistiveTouch. Then make sure you turn on AssistiveTouch. After that, scroll down to the bottom. And in here, tap on Confirm with AssistiveTouch. Tap on the toggle button to turn on this feature. And on the next screen, tap on the Continue button. Then double click on the side button to confirm the setup. Now we put in the passcode. Once you put in the passcode, double click again to confirm. And that's it. You will hear the ka-ching sound. And then after that is done, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now we're going to test out the feature. So we open up the App Store. And here I will try to download an app. So here, Drama Box, I'm going to tap on Get. And you can see it asks me to confirm with AssistiveTouch instead of pressing on the side button. So to go ahead, we tap on the AssistiveTouch button. From the menu, tap on Device. Then we tap on More. And here you tap on the Apple Pay button. And then tap on Confirm to pay at the top here. Okay, so we still need to confirm. Now because it tried to confirm with my Face ID and because the camera is blocking it, so I'll try it again. I'll close that and tap on Get. And now this time it can verify using the camera. So it is now gone ahead and installed. So I'm just going to cancel that because I do not want to install Drama Box on my device. And that's it. Now this will also work with making payments. So if you are using your Apple Wallet to make payments and when you are required to confirm, you can use the shortcut in here. So we can tap on Apple Pay shortcut to make a payment. Now because it does not require that feature, so at the moment it does not appear in here. But when it asks you to confirm, then a features will automatically shows in this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.